The 2026 Dodge Demon is the ultimate expression of modern American muscle, delivering a staggering combination of raw power, aggressive styling, and advanced technology. At its core lies a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, tuned to produce around 950 horsepower and 930 lb-ft of torque on race fuel, with a slightly reduced 900 horsepower output for pump gas. This immense power is paired with a reinforced 8-speed automatic transmission, designed to handle the extreme torque and deliver lightning-quick gear changes. A high-precision launch control system, along with extra-wide drag radial tires and a specially tuned suspension, allows the Demon to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.1 seconds and blast through the quarter mile in an astonishing 8.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars ever built. The exterior design is unapologetically bold, with wide fenders, an aggressive front splitter, and a carbon fiber hood featuring the massive air grabber scoop that forces air directly into the engine. Functional air ducts integrated into the headlights, a sculpted rear diffuser, and a prominent rear wing contribute to aerodynamic efficiency and stability at high speeds. Quad exhaust outlets not only enhance performance, but deliver an unmistakable roar. Dodge offers the Demon in exclusive paint colors such as Hellfire Red, Midnight Phantom, and Electric Inferno, ensuring it stands out as much visually as it does on the drag strip. Inside, the cabin blends race-focused minimalism with surprising touches of comfort. Standard lightweight bucket seats are wrapped in Alcantara and leather, with the option for a single seat setup to save weight. The driver faces a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that displays performance data such as G-forces, boost pressure, and launch statistics, while a 13.4-inch central touchscreen provides infotainment, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in performance data recorder. For those who want the best of both worlds, premium features like a Harman Kardon audio system, ambient lighting, and dual-zone climate control are available, ensuring comfort doesn't get sacrificed for speed. Performance is backed up by a serious commitment to safety and control. Massive Brembo brakes provide exceptional stopping power, supported by electronic stability control and advanced traction management. Buyers can opt for track-ready upgrades, such as a high-strength roll cage, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and parking sensors to help tame its wide stance in daily driving situations. Fuel economy is predictably low for a machine of this caliber, coming in at an estimated 12 miles per gallon city and 19 miles per gallon highway, with lower figures when using high-octane race fuel. Pricing starts around $98,000 and can surpass $120,000 with all available options and performance upgrades. Production will be limited, making the Demon a highly sought-after collector's item for enthusiasts and performance purists alike. Pre-orders are expected to open in mid-2025, with deliveries starting later in the year. The 2026 Dodge Demon isn't just a car, it's a statement. It pushes the boundaries of what a street-legal muscle car can achieve, offering blistering acceleration, jaw-dropping looks, and cutting-edge engineering, all while maintaining just enough refinement to be driven daily. For those who demand nothing less than the most extreme performance on four wheels, the new Demon stands as a modern legend in the making.